In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can sellers cancel an order on Amazon. If a customer places an order that can't be fulfilled, maybe the item is out of stock or the buyer changed their mind, you can cancel it directly in Seller Central as long as it hasn't shipped yet. First, open a browser and go to sellercentral.amazon.com, then sign in with your seller credentials. Once you're in, head to the top navigation bar, hover over Orders, and select Manage Orders. This page lists all of your recent orders, along with their statuses, fulfillment methods, and actions you can take. To narrow things down, switch the filter to Unshipped. Cancelable orders live here, and the filter helps you avoid clicking into orders that are already on their way. You can also search by order ID or use date ranges if you have a lot of volume. When you find the order that needs to be canceled, look over to the Action column. If the order is eligible, you'll see a cancel order option. If you don't see it, the order has likely shipped already or it's being fulfilled by Amazon, in which case cancellations are handled differently and you typically can't stop it in Seller Central. Click Cancel Order to open the cancellation screen. Here, Amazon asks you to choose a reason from a dropdown. Pick the most accurate one. Common choices include out of stock and buyer request. Selecting the right reason helps Amazon categorize your activity and protects your metrics. For example, marking a buyer requested cancellation correctly ensures it isn't counted against your cancellation rate. After choosing the reason, review the details one more time and click Submit. Amazon will process the request and send confirmation emails to both you and the customer. The order status will update to canceled on your Manage Orders page shortly after. Two quick best practices before we wrap up. First, update your inventory and pricing rules so you don't run into preventable out-of-stock cancellations. Automated inventory syncing or buffer stock can make a big difference. Second, keep an eye on your account health dashboard. High pre-fulfillment cancellations can affect performance metrics. If a buyer has questions after the cancellation, respond through buyer-seller messaging to maintain a good customer experience. Brief, professional notes go a long way. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open Manage Orders, filter